So we're going to learn how to connect your Google form to your Google Sheet today. First of all, just bring up a form. We're going to go into these 9 little dots, go down to Forms, and I've got several here. I'm just going to click on this survey that I created a while ago. So you create your form, do whatever questions, answers, whatever you want in here. Up at the top, you want to go to Responses. And then here, this is already connected to a sheet, and you can see View in Sheets. These little dots right here gives you other options. I can unlink the form, I can download it, I can select a different destination, get email notifications, etc. So if I click View in Sheets, there's 118 responses. If I click that, it's going to open in Sheets, and you're going to see each question has its own column. Okay, since most of you probably don't have a form that you've already created to connect, when you're doing a new form, just click that here. Again, you can go ahead and fill out your form. You want to go to the responses, and here you'll see now it says Link to Sheets. And you can create a new one, or you can select one that you've already created. I would highly suggest just creating a new one, because what this is going to do is it will automatically create the columns for every single question that you have. Like you can see here, it was a blank form, so there's not a lot there. But do your questions first, and then it'll have a column for every single question that you have, and it'll automatically create all of that, and you don't need to change it. And you can see here that it automatically took the name, which I didn't name my form. It is called Untitled Form. So the sheet that it created is called Untitled Form Responses. So if you name your form first, it will pull over the correct name. So it's that simple. Just go ahead and click that little View in Sheets button, or Link in Sheets was what it was before. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.